Today we're going to be replacing the battery. It's brand new battery. First thing you gotta do is two gold 10mm bolts that hold the seat in to get access to the battery. After removing the seat, you gotta remove these 10mm bolts there. No, here's a stock battery. The new battery I got off Amazon. It's a Mighty Max. Model is YTX12-BS. Comes with a new bolt and nut for the mounting. So it looks about the same size. I will drop the link. I do have to say when installing it, how the nut is already off. It's easier if I take a small zip tie, place it underneath, and then put the nut on top. So that way it can hold that space in between when mounting. So just a little zip tie. So it turns out using a slightly thicker zip tie this way, tighten it up. There. Truth. You can put the cover back on, put that strap back over. I usually leave it off, the strap off, in case I gotta jump it. It's easy to get to. Just put the seat back in of the two gold 10mm bolts, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.